Hello friends and welcome to the English language grammar. Yesterday we learned about sentences. We also did some exercise and we also wrote some sentences with the picture. And yesterday I promised you to tell the rules also while you write them. So the first rule is capitalization. Capitalization is to capital the first letter of the word and whatsoever we learn now. So the first rule, that is capitalization, and the first point is capitalize the first word of every sentence. Yes, this is very important that we have to capitalize the first word of every sentence. Like there is an example given: dogs are said to be the man's best friend. The D is not capital, but after changing it we did the D capital because it's the first word of the sentence. There is also some exercise given at the end. Do try these. Okay, now we'll do the second point, that is capitalize the name of a specific person or thing. We have to capitalize a specific person, like a specific name, like Paul. This is a specific name, so we have to capitalize the first word, not the whole but the first word. Capitalize the specific thing or a place like the Central Park or Paris. These are specific thing, Paris. But if we speak the park, it's not specific, they can be any park. Okay, so let's read the examples. Barden went to Tomball Memorial Hospital after he broke his leg. Right, so we'll capital the both names first, not both but the Barden name. Okay, and then the Tomball Memorial Hospital. See, like I told you, the park, hospital is not a specific thing, so we won't capitalize it, but we will capitalize the name of the hospital. Okay, let's look at the second example. Gina and Joe took their dog Bailey for a walk at the Central Park. First we'll capitalize both of the names and their dog name, that is Bailey, because it is a specific name, and Central Park, not park but Central Park, because it is specified that the park is central. Not, I don't mean that the park is central, but the park's name is Central Park. Okay, there are also some exercises. Let's try the first one. Paul went to Paris. Like we did the first point, Paul, so it is the first word of the sentence, so we have to capitalize it, and a specific thing, that is Paris, we have to capitalize it. Okay, you can try the exercises and you can also take a screenshot if you need. The third, capitalize the days of the week and months of the year. Holidays get capitalized too. Valentine's Day is on February 14 each year. So like we did it in the first point, Valentine's Day, we capital Valentine's Day. It is a specific day. Okay, so Valentine's Day, D will be capital, and February because it is a specific month. Okay, as it is written that heading, days of the week and months of the year will get capitalized. Now let's try the third part, which is Gandhi Jayanti is on 2nd of every October. Gandhi Jayanti is an Indian festival which is celebrated for Gandhiji. You can search about it on the internet also. Okay, so we'll capitalize October, O, and of course Gandhiji, because it's a specific name, so G will be capital. The fourth point, capitalize places including addresses, cities, states, countries and continents. I live on Main Street in Houston, Texas. Texas is a state in the United States of America. I will be capital, Main Street, Houston, Texas, United States of America. Now you might think that why are we capitaling United States of America? Just read the heading. It's written that addresses cities, states, countries, and continents. United States of America is a country, so we will capitalize United States of America. Not of. It's just the name, but the proper name is United States of America. Of won't be capitalized. Fifth point. Capitalize the titles of written or performed works, books or movies. Titles of artistic works also get capitalized. Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs is a book that was later made into a movie. Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs is a name of a book. Okay, so it will get capitalized. Now for the examples, for reference, I am already telling you that Sudha Murthy, Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling, Jennifer Stilton, they are specific names. Okay. Sixth, this is something different. You can take a screenshot because this is really important. Okay, we won't so we have to capitalize north, south, east, and west only if you use it as a specific place. Like sometimes we say as the house is in the north, so we are specifying that the house is in the north, so north will get capitalized. These are something same, it is already mentioned. You can take a screenshot if you need. I think this is going some out of mind, and I think you have done a lot of hard work. So that's all for today. We'll learn the second rule in the next video. Thank you.